Seeking English S.A.T. Workbook, page 429, problem 1. The book has very good instructions on how to solve this to the satisfaction of your algebra teacher, but I am not your algebra teacher. I'm always trying to give you something that the book does not give you, which will be just as effective in a shorter amount of time in order to eliminate 3 bad answers on the real test. So yes, do look at the book. I'm not going to spend a video's amount of time explaining what's in there. I'm going to instead show you in this video how to very quickly eliminate 3 bad answers from this problem. Okay? When you have polynomial like this, what you want to look at in order to eliminate wrong answers is first your outer terms. This middle term, that's going to be more work. It's normally more work. So come to that last if you have to. Okay, and you may have to in some other problem, just not in this problem. Okay, so the idea is this: if you can't use what's in here to explain this 25x to the fourth, or if you can't use it to explain this 9y to the fourth, then it's off the list. It doesn't matter what else is in there. You don't need to prove that some other part of it is or isn't working to your favor to produce this thing. Don't go there. Okay. No one's going to check your work on the real test. It's not going to help you if you prove to yourself that you have the correct answer. All you have to do is get rid of 3 bad answers, and this is the most important thing to understand. All you have to do on almost every problem in the math section is to eliminate those 3 bad answers. There are a few where you have to write in answers. This is not one of them. So yes, for a similar problem where you have to write it in, check the book. Okay. In the meantime, that's not most problems on the test. Most problems on the test are like this. I know I've said this. I'm saying it again. Just get rid of 3 answers quickly. 3 bad answers. How to do that? Let's take a look. What would happen if we squared 5? Okay. This 5 squared would produce this 25. This x squared would produce that. Okay. This 3, okay, squared would produce this 9, and this y squared would produce that. So far that's a match. Don't worry about middle term. We'll come back to it if we have to, but chances are we can eliminate something because you can see these are not the same. Okay, if you see what the differences are between these answers, you can see we're going to eliminate something before we have to concern ourselves with that middle term. So there's no point in focusing on it right now. There's a chance that we won't have to look at it at all. Okay, this 5x to the fourth. The x to the fourth works with 5 to the fourth. 5 to the fourth is not 25, so that's gone. Okay, 3 to the fourth is also not 9, so it would be gone also for that reason. Here, 25 squared is not going to be 25, and it is gone. And 9 squared is not going to be 9, so that is also gone. Again, 25 to the fourth is certainly not 25, so it is gone for that reason. 9 to the fourth certainly is not 9. Okay, is it really that easy? Yes. It is this time. This time it is that easy. And at some point on the real test, it will probably be that easy. Don't overthink it. 3 of the answers are wrong. Just figure out why they're wrong and get them out of there quickly. That's it.